Hello everyone, welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Myself Batul Sheikh from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, which is running under the Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. Children, in our last video, we were learning about the lesson 1.7 Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. So children, if you will observe the title, the topic, so what you will get? You will come to know that our topic is divided into two parts. See, Paramveer Chakra, up one part, another one is our heroes. So children, we had completed our first part in our last video, right? We come to know, we understood what is Paramveer Chakra, who had designed this, what is its appearance, right? In today's video, children, we will learn about our heroes, the heroes who had fought bravely, who had got the Paramveer Chakra. So children, for that, get ready with your textbook, open page number 21. Children, pay attention on your textbook, page number 21, left hand side. Here one list is given. In that, the heroes of Paramveer Chakra is given. Let's see who are they. The 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer. Here, number one name is Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Nayak Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Raghobha Rane, Nayak Jadunath Singh, Company Havaldar Major Piru, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Subedar Jogender Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quartermaster Havaldar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Ardishe Burzorzi Tarapure, Lance Nayak Albert Ekka, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, Major Hushar Singh, Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Parveshwaram, Lieutenant Major Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogender Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Vikram Batra, and last but not the least, Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sikhon. So children, you had come to know the list, who had got the soldiers of the list, who had honored, who had got Paramveer Chakra for their bravery deeds. In same manner children, here at the right side of your textbook, one example is given about the Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sikhon, how he had fought with the enemies and how he shows his heroism, his bravery, his courage. In that we will come to know. So come along with me. Pay attention on the right side of your textbook. Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sikhon, 10877 F PVC, Squadron number 18, the Flying Bullets. So children, first line, on the 14th of December 1971. So the day arises, it is 14 December 1971. Srinagar. Srinagar is the name of the place which is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Even it is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. So the day is 14th of December 1971, year 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by the wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. So it is a day and the city Srinagar, he found attack from the enemies with the 6 enemy aircrafts. Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sikhon was on readiness duty at that time. So the officer Nirmal Jeet Singh, he was on his duty and he was in the ready position. He could not take off immediately because of cloud of dust raised by another aircraft. He wanted to take off. He wanted to fight with the enemies, but he would not. Why he could not? Because there was lots of dust due to another aircraft. That's why he was not able to take off his flight to fight with the enemies. By the time the runway was clear, so he was waited to make the runway clear. The enemy aircraft were overheaded. At that time he waited till that time the aircraft from the enemies were on his head, overheaded. They were flying low. They were at the low position. And what they were doing? Firing and attacking the airfield with the bombs. What they were doing? They were on overhead of the officer Nirmaljit Singh, and they were firing from there. They were attacking with the bombs on the city, on the airfield in the Srinagar. Even then, flying officer Sikhon took off in his Gant fighter the moment he could. So he waited, and when he found that the enemies are over the headed, so in this situation what he had did, he took his flight and he take off his flight in the air. He began to combat the powerful Sabre jet aircraft of the enemy. Now he started to fight with them, with the enemies. He damaged 2 of them. He fought and he tried his best and he damaged 2 of them among the 6. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at the treetop height. Now his flight was at the treetop height, from up to treetop height, the height of the tree. At last the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of battle and he attacked again and again. So in this situation what the enemies had done, they vanished from the battlefield. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. The aircraft field as well as the city Srinagar, they were saved. Why? Because of the courageous deed of the Nirmaljit Singh Sikhon. But alas, flying officer Sikhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. But the city was saved on the one hand, but on the contrary, on the other hand, what we found? The flying officer Sikhon's aircraft was crushed and he was killed by the enemies. Second paragraph, flying officer Sikhon displayed great flying skill and determination. Determination means here strong resolve, means ability. So here flying officer Nirmaljit Singh, what he had, he showed the courage, he showed the determination, ability, capability. In the face of certain, even he got the death, but he showed his courage. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of the duty. So he showed what he showed? Heroism, the capability of the heroism fighting with the enemies above and beyond his duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave. So we, the people, the Indian people, we are saluting him to the Nirmaljit Singh Sikhon because of his bravery deed, because of his heroism skill. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sikhon. Now, some additional information is given. Let's see, children. Do read more on the internet at www.paramveerchakra.com. So, if you want to know about more hero, about more bravest of the brave Paramveer, so you can visit the website that it is given in your textbook, that is www.paramveerchakra.com. About the gallant. Gallant means here brave. PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the service of country. So we can get more information about the soldiers who had sacrifices their life to save the nation, to save the country. You will see that they belong to the various community and religions. So if we will take information, we will get the information. So we will come to know that they are not from the particular one committee. They are from different committee, from different parts of the India, from different, even Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, all were there who had sacrifices their life to save the nation. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they face the enemy. So we should know, it is our duty. We should come to know, we should try to get the knowledge how they face the difficulties and how they fought with the difficulties without any regards of their fatal. Fatal means here, fatal means causing death. Fatal wounds and physical pain. They had suffered with the wounds, not only the wounds, the causing death type of wounds, and they had suffered with the physical pain, and that's why we are saved today. So children, what we should do, what we come to know with this story, with the lesson, we come to know that we should respect our country, we should respect our soldiers who had sacrifices a lot to save the nation, to save the country. What we should do, we should create determination in ourselves to save the country, to sacrifice our lives for our country. So in that way, children, we had done this lesson. I hope you had understood and enjoy it. So thank you. Have a good day. Student, hope you had understood the lesson, and don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thank you. Have a good day.